Want truly fabulous skin, glowing, vibrant, and, yes, younger-looking skin? Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and eating a healthy skin diet. Everything you eat becomes a part of not only your inner being, but the outer fabric of your body as well. The healthier the foods are that you consume, the better your skin will look. The less attention we pay to eating a healthy skin diet, the more problems we may see cropping up with our skin. What's more, some health experts believe that when your diet is missing certain foods for healthy skin, other, even more serious skin problems can result. You may find yourself suddenly breaking out in acne, eczema, psoriasis. Any number of chronic skin problems can be directly linked to diet. What foods are included in a healthy skin diet? Most experts say paying attention to balanced nutrition is the best way to make sure you're eating a healthy skin diet. Still, a number of specific skin treats are more likely than others to give a boost of glowing good health to your complexion. What you put on your plate is even more important than what you put on your skin. Let's check the skin-friendly foods to consume every day. 1. Low-fat dairy products. One of the most important components of a healthy skin diet is vitamin A. One of the best places to get it is low-fat dairy products. In fact, experts say that the health of our skin cells is dependent on dietary vitamin A. Low-fat yogurt is not only high in vitamin A, but also acidophilus, the live bacteria that is good for intestinal health. Turns out, it may also have an impact on the skin. Anything that helps keep digestion normal, any live bacteria or enzymes, is also going to be reflected in healthy-looking skin. 2. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and plums. The common link between these four foods is their high antioxidant content. In a study recently published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, these four fruits weighed in with the highest total antioxidant capacity of any food. The benefits of these foods for a healthy skin diet are plentiful. The antioxidants and other phytochemicals in these fruits can protect the cell. When you help protect the cells from damage and disintegration, you also guard against premature aging. In this respect, these fruits may very well help keep your skin younger looking longer. 3. Salmon, walnuts, canola oil, and flaxseed. These seemingly unrelated foods all deliver essential fatty acids, and thus are key elements in a healthy skin diet. Essential fatty acids are responsible for healthy cell membranes, which is not only what act as barriers to harmful things but also as the passageway for nutrients to cross in and out and for waste products to get in and out of the cell. Because it is the cell membrane that also holds water in, the stronger that barrier is, the better your cells can hold moisture. And that means plumper, younger-looking skin. 4. Healthy oils. Eating good quality oils helps keep skin lubricated and keeps it looking and feeling healthier overall. Which oils are the right ones for healthy skin? Those labeled cold-pressed, expeller processed, or extra virgin are the oils to look for in a healthy skin diet. You get all the nutrients that are not only good for your skin, but good for your body. 5. Whole wheat bread, muffins, and cereals, turkey, tuna, and Brazil nuts. The mineral selenium is the ingredient that makes all these foods important in a healthy skin diet. Experts say selenium plays a key role in the health of skin cells. Some studies show that even skin damaged by the sun may suffer fewer consequences if selenium levels are high. Filling up on whole grain products leaves less room for the white foods that are a worse choice for skin health. These include white flour items, bread, cake, and pasta, sugar, and white rice. All can affect insulin levels and cause inflammation that may ultimately be linked to skin breakouts. 6. Green tea. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's protective to the cell membrane. It may even help prevent or reduce the risk of skin cancer. Study published recently in the Archives of Dermatology shows that whether taken orally or applied to the skin, green tea can reduce the risk of damage from ultraviolet light, such as the burning rays of the sun, and thus reduce the risk of skin cancer. 7. Water. While the exact amount you should drink each day varies, No one disputes the role good hydration plays in a healthy skin diet. When that hydration comes from pure, clean water, not liquids such as soda or even soup. It is my belief that our skin needs at least a half gallon of good clean water. That's about 8 glasses, every day. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric does wonders for soothing inflammation and has also been shown to improve your immune system and support proper brain function. Consume it with warm water to balance your skin's natural flora and protect your skin cells against free radicals. 9. Eggs. There's a reason egg cream is a Korean beauty trend. Egg yolk is meant to nourish and soothe the skin while also providing vitamin A for skin repair. 10. Dark chocolate. If you need one more reason to eat chocolate, here it is. The effects of cocoa on your skin are pretty phenomenal. After 6 to 12 weeks of consuming a cocoa powder high in antioxidants each day, participants in one study experienced thicker, more hydrated skin. Their skin was also less rough and scaly, less sensitive to sunburn, and had better blood flow, which brings more nutrients to your skin. Make sure to choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to maximize the benefits and keep added sugar to a minimum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.